Hello. Today we're going to discuss some of the university writing programs and services available to students at Auburn University. Throughout your major or program, you will be exposed to a range of different types of writing. The goal of university writing is to help you elevate your ability to communicate effectively in all media to all audiences. Our office provides a range of different types of programs and services to help you succeed in your coursework and professional endeavors. One way to receive support is through the Miller Writing Center. The Miller Writing Center offers free one-on-one writing appointments with undergraduate and graduate peer consultants. Writing appointments are a great way for you to work on your writing and communication skills in a collaborative, informal environment. Consultants can help with any writing project, not just papers. Examples of projects you could bring to the MWC include lab reports, dissertations, PowerPoints, ePortfolios, personal statements, and short stories, just to name a few. You can also make an appointment during any point in the writing process. Consultants can help you brainstorm ideas, organize content, refine your text, and connect with some of the other support services on campus. You don't already need to have a draft of your writing project to visit the MWC. Our main location is in the RBD library, but we have satellite locations across campus. You can make up to 2 online or face-to-face appointments per week by clicking on the MWC icon in AU Access. During the fall and spring semesters, appointments are available Sunday through Friday, which include morning, afternoon, and evening times to fit your schedule. Another way for you to work on your writing and achieve your career goals is through the Eportfolio Project. Eportfolios are personal websites where you can represent your skills, experiences, and learning to others. Depending on your major or program, you may be asked to complete an ePortfolio as part of a course. However, you may also elect to create an ePortfolio outside of class to include with your internship, graduate school, or job applications. We offer workshops and online resources to help with the process. In addition to the Miller Writing Center and ePortfolio Project, we offer a range of different writing programs. One of our most popular ones is the Wow Wednesdays workshop series. This program is a set of workshops that focus on common writing challenges. Workshops are held most weeks during the fall and spring semesters, and each week features a different writing topic. Examples of topics from previous semesters include managing large projects, editing and proofreading your own work, and writing literature reviews. Workshop details and registration information are available on our website. Finally, University Writing hires students to work for our office as consultants, front desk representatives, interns, and graduate assistants. We hire students from all majors, years, and programs. Applications for the spring semester are typically due in October, and applications for the fall semester are typically due in March. Position descriptions and application information are available on our website. We encourage you to contact us if you have any questions or if you would like additional information about any of our programs or services. Feel free to visit us at auburn.edu/writing to make writing appointments, register for workshops, view position descriptions, and access online writing resources. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you to achieve your writing goals.